You would not believe where I found this jacket. I picked this up for $25 at my local thrift store. And I picked this one up specifically because it was long enough to become a leather apron. My first thought was, how much leather can I scavenge from it and what can I make from it? And instead of making multiple projects, which I don't think I would be able to anyways, with the lack thereof of normal sized leather, I decided to make a leather apron instead. Even when I just keep the front here, or the back arch where your neck is, I'm gonna cut just like go flat, straight across. 2.5. Okay. At almost every stage, I'm just quickly test fitting to see if it's still the way that I want it and making sure that it fits my idea of what I want. If I do it this way, I should be able to get a nice 2-inch strip that way, yeah. Do another 2-inch strip for the other side and save on leather. That's all the strips that I need. Sand this area here. I know you're supposed to use leather glue, but I can't find any, so I picked up some shoe glue and that seems to be working just fine for me. Hopefully I can find some regular leather glue somewhere else, but in the meantime shoe glue works just fine. Soon. And now that I've got your attention, I'd like to invite you all to send in patches and cool emblems that would look great on my apron. It might even appear in a video when I wear it. The P.O. Box address will be listed in the description below for more information. Please only send nice, unique, and interesting patches or pins that you like and that I might also appreciate. No rude or offensive items, please. But without further ado, let's finish this apron. On the home stretch here, just adding some gold colored rivets to my leather apron neck strap. And then I'm adding a leather pocket that I took out of from the inside and placing it on the outside. Alright, I think this actually turned out pretty well. There's a few hiccups here and there and a couple issues with the crooked pocket on the side, but it adds to it as being unique and not perfectly square or straight or aligned with anything, but it fits the form of an apron and it serves the purpose of being one. I decided to add a little bit of a strap to the side and add 2 extra holes to tighten it up just a little bit to stop the apron from flopping around. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around to the next video.